Topic is ability of catalyst. Students, you can see the ability of catalyst can be defined as the ability of catalyst to accelerate the chemical reaction. It can be defined as it can be defined as ability of catalyst to accelerate the ability of catalyst to accelerate the chemical reaction is ability of catalyst to accelerate the chemical reaction. As well, in some cases, the catalyst can accelerate the rate of reaction by the 10 to power 10 times. In some cases, catalyst can increase the rate of reaction by 10 to power 10 times. For example, at normal temperature, hydrogen, oxygen do not combine to form the water. At normal temperature, hydrogen and oxygen do not combine to form water, but in the presence of platinum as a catalyst, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water molecule, and the reaction is very explosive in nature. Rate of reaction can increase many times at normal temperature. Hydrogen and oxygen at normal condition, you can say hydrogen and oxygen will not combine to form water molecule, but in the case of presence of platinum, rate of reaction is increased many times, and you can write the reaction H2 plus O2 in presence of platinum, they form water. This reaction takes place in the presence of platinum. If platinum is absent, then no reaction will occur. Next topic is selectivity of the catalyst. Selectivity of catalyst. In this reaction, catalyst select the, you can say, ability of catalyst to select to form the final product is called selectivity of catalyst. Reactant will be same, but in the presence of different catalyst, product will be different. Although the reactant will be same, but the catalyst is different, that is why product is different. Ability of, that is why I am saying that it is the selectivity of catalyst to find it is ability of catalyst to select which product will be formed. This is called selectivity of catalyst. For example, ethanol, this is ethanol. Temperature is saying 623 Kelvin. 623 Kelvin. If the catalyst is copper, it forms acetaldehyde. If the catalyst is alumina, product will be ethylene. You are saying that reactant is same, ethanol. This is acetaldehyde. This is ethylene. Due to presence of different catalyst, product are different. This is the selectivity of catalyst. This is another example of selectivity catalyst. Catalyst is You can say reactant are same, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Reactant are same, but in the presence of different catalyst, product are different. Methane, methyl alcohol. This is methanol, or you can say formaldehyde. This is another example of selectivity of catalyst.